everybody, I'm here with Matt, Director of Sales for Cryoworks. Good to be here with you.
Good to be here as well. Thanks for having us.
Of course. So we just want to talk a little bit about the products you have to offer. Do you have anything new, or what's going on with Cryoworks these days?
Sure. So we're a vacuum insulated piping manufacturer. So we build distribution systems for cryogenic fluids. We work a lot in the liquid nitrogen space in this industry. So as far as new products, we recently launched our CryoLinks line. It's a pre-engineered kind of standard components, so you can order them more or less off the shelf. So it's fit well into the distribution industry.
Awesome, that's great to hear. And going off that, do you sell just to distributors, or do you have some supplier customers in the room, or?
We sell to both. We have different structures set up for different situations, but we sell to end users as well as distributors. Our kind of a big edge is our technical sales reps. So a lot of getting on site, helping solving problems that are on site, whether it's going into existing systems that may just be out of date or need some like retrofits, or if it's designing a one from ground up.
Okay, awesome. So what other value do you bring to your customers besides products?
That would have to be our sales team, I would say. We consider our edge. It's a technical sales rep. So they actually come in, like I said, they get on site, ask all of the important questions, and sometimes we'll bring things up that sometimes the customers don't know that they need. So they're the one point of contact throughout the project. So if we were to get a project, they'd manage it all the way through and see things all the way through installation.
Okay, so does your sales team travel to these different locations, or are they based around the U.S.?
So we have sales reps based throughout the U.S., but yes, they do travel. We have a rep on the East Coast, and we have one in Northern California, and then the rest of us are based out of the home office in Southern California. And then, yeah, we come to the sites if it's required. If it's not required, we can work remotely as well.
So for any of the distributors that did not make it to Philadelphia, is there anything here at the booth you'd like to show off?
I guess we launched our e-commerce store about a year ago. So for any of the distributors that aren't here, it's it's got our shopping cart here. But log on and check it out. If you guys are products on there that we sell that you guys are looking for, just let us know and we can add you guys custom portals and whatnot.
Awesome. Yeah, it was a great launch that you guys had with the website. It looks great. It's very user-friendly.
Thank you. Yeah, appreciate it.
All right. Well, thank you so much for chatting with me today. I appreciate it. And it's always good to see Cryoworks.
Thank you. We appreciate you having us.